Vivekananda Rock Memorial. Famously known as the place where Swami Vivekananda attained enlightenment, this rock memorial was built in the year 1970 to commemorate this saint and is a well-known tourist place in Kanyakumari. It has a separate Dhyan Mandap and the statue of Vivekananda in one of the inner chambers. The legend also has it that goddess Kumari performed austerity on this rock, which is why a separate temple with a deity's footprint is also created in Rock Memorial. Visiting time 8 am to 4 pm. Thiruvalluvar statue. The imposing statue of the Tamil literary legend Thiruvalluvar stands tall and mighty adjacent to the Vivekananda Rock Memorial. This architectural masterpiece has a 38 feet tall pedestal representing the 38 chapters on virtue in his literary work Thirukkural, and the 133 feet tall statue represents the 133 chapters in this book. This is one of the most wonderful tourist places in Kanyakumari that also holds great historical and architectural significance. Visiting time 8 am to 4 pm. Bhagavati Amman Temple. Kanyakumari gets its name from the deity Bhagavati Amman, also called Devi Kanyakumari or Virgin Goddess, whose artistically built idol with the prominent nosepin sits in the sanctorum of this temple. The temple is located just 1 kilometer from the Kanyakumari railway station and bus stand, and it is built just a few meters away from the Kanyakumari beach. Considered one of the 108 Shaktipedas, this sacred temple holds great religious and historical significance and is one of the most important places to visit in Kanyakumari as well. Visiting time 4:30 am to 12 pm and 4 pm to 8 pm. Our Lady of Ransom Church. Our Lady of Ransom is a magnificent 15th century church that boasts the Gothic style architecture of that era. Standing tall and pristine amidst the blue sky and lashing waves, this white architectural marvel is dedicated to Virgin Mary, who is also called Alangara Uppkara Mata by the Tamil Christians residing here. The church houses a sari-clad idol of Mother Mary, which makes it a must-visit tourist places in Kanyakumari. At night, the church is lit in colorful lights, which also makes it sight to behold. Visiting time anytime from morning to night. Tsunami Monument. The tsunami monument was designed built by the architect B. Kanagaraj Kangan to commemorate all those who lost their lives on 26th December 2004 in the earthquake and tsunami that had its epicenter in the Java and Sumatra Islands and affected multiple islands along with southern state of Tamil Nadu. It is a 16-feet monument built near the shore in Kanyakumari and stands as a grim reminder of one of the biggest natural calamities. Truly one of the best places to visit in Kanyakumari. Wax Museum. Mayapuri Wonder Wax Museum is one of its kind which houses the wax statues of numerous national and international personalities of historic importance. It is conveniently located very close to the railway station and can be reached easily via local transport. An imitation of the Wax Museum in London, Mayapuri Wonder Wax Museum is an interesting tourist attraction that you can include in your Kanyakumari sightseeing itinerary. Visiting time 8 am to 6:30 pm. Bharat Mata Temple. Ramayan Darshan Temple or Bharat Mata Temple is an architectural and aesthetical wonder erected in Kanyakumari. The ground floor of this building is dedicated to the beautiful paintings of the epic Ramayana that is described chronologically along with a detailed description. In the first floor, there is a 12 feet tall brass statue of Bharat Mata and paintings and statues of other deities including Devi Kanyakumari and Lord Vivekananda. The sheer magnificence of this building, the tale of Ramayana wonderfully depicted through paintings and the beautifully carved statues of various deities make this one of the best places to visit in Kanyakumari. Visiting time 9 am to 1 pm and 5 pm to 8 pm. Kanyakumari Beach. Kanyakumari Beach is a rocky beach that offers a mesmerizing view of the blue waters splashing against the rocks. The golden sand drenched in multiple hues of the setting and the rising sun, the spectacular view of sunrise and sunset, and the picturesque beauty of the rock memorial and the towering statue makes it a must-visit tourist places in Kanyakumari. People flock here from dawn to dusk to drench themselves in the splashing ocean or just sit on the shore and enjoy the beauty of the beach. Sai Baba Temple. Sai Baba Temple is located at a distance of 8 kilometers from Kanyakumari railway station. This temple is a symbol of faith, serenity, and tranquility. The aesthetic white structure of the temple gives a feeling of calm to the onlooker, while the quiet prayer hall with the huge statue of Sai Baba connects you to the saint himself. Include this temple as part of sightseeing in Kanyakumari if you wish to spend some time in calm and quiet place. Visiting time 6 am to 12 pm and 4 pm to 9. Triveni Sangam. Apart from the majestic rock memorial and the mammoth statue of the Tamil poet, Kanyakumari is also famous for the Triveni Sangam, the confluence of the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, and the Arabian Sea. Deities visiting the Kanyakumari temple also visit this Sangam and dip their feet in the water as they consider it holy. The Sangam offers a spectacular view of the sunset and also the rock memorial situated just 500 meters from the seashore. Thanumalayan Temple. Thanumalayan Temple represents both Saiv and Vaishnav communities and is dedicated to the Tirumurtis Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. The intricately designed gopurams, 22 feet tall statue of Lord Anjaneya, and the musical pillars built out of a single granite are some of the noteworthy aspects of the temple. Indeed, this temple is thronged by devotees and tourists to admire its architectural beauty and to pay obeisance to Thanumalayan, the three lords enshrined as a single deity. Visiting time 4:30 am to 11:30 am and 5 pm to 8. Guganadaswamy Temple. This 1,000-year-old temple depicting the enchanting Dravidian style architecture is dedicated to Lord Shiva, deemed to have been built by Rajaraja Chola. The temple has a small Shivlinga in the Sanctum Sanctorum, which is the main deity, and it also has 16 inscriptions that date back to the 11th century. The temple is located on the main road, very close to the railway station and bus stop. Visiting time 6 am to 11:30 am and 5 pm to 8:30 pm. Tiruparapu Falls. "50 feet tall man-made waterfalls", Tiruparapu Waterfalls, located around 55 kilometers from Kanyakumari, is a worth a visit. The water collects in a small pool below, and the public is allowed to bathe in the cool waters of these falls. Separate changing rooms for men and women are also present, making it convenient for travelers who wish to take a dip in the waters. The surrounding area is also built like a park where tourists can sit and relax watching the falls. A cool getaway from the city center, Tipperapa Falls is one of the many popular places to visit near Kanyakumari and also a must-visit tourist attraction. Visiting time 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Padmanabhapuram Palace. This notable palace is located 10 kilometers from the city center and is a charming beauty of the 16th century. This palace is intricately built with teak wood and is a classical example of Takusastra. A rich heritage of the Kingdom of Travancore, this marvelous palace has everything from Brazilian mirrors, beautifully carved columns to furniture designed with Chinese carvings. The two-story palace is artistically interconnected through narrow paths from one unit to another, and it also houses the paintings of all the kings of Travancore. In this, Padmanabhapuram Palace is one of the most beautiful places to visit in Kanyakumari. Visiting time 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Sunset Point. Just like the sunrise in Kanyakumari, sunset is also a spectacle to behold. Watching the gorgeous sunset at the backdrop of the clear blue sky and the blue ocean is a splendid experience every tourist must enjoy. The reflection of the setting sun on the sea changes from golden to crimson red, and this alluring sight is sure to leave the onlooker awestruck. The sunset point is also the point where the two seas and the Indian Ocean and is one of the top places to visit in Kanyakumari to enjoy the amazing sunset. View Tower. For the best view of the sea and the rock memorial standing majestically amidst the sea, View Tower is the best choice to visit. It gives you ample opportunity to capture some picture-perfect moments and also enjoy the breathtakingly beautiful view. You get a panoramic view of the coastal city and can also watch the beautiful sunset and sunrise in Kanyakumari. One of the top places to visit in Kanyakumari, View Tower is something one cannot miss from their Kanyakumari sightseeing itinerary. Gandhi Mandap. Apart from Vivekananda, Kanyakumari also boasts of the Gandhi Mandap, which is dedicated to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, which is built quite close to the shore. This memorial is built in the exact same location where the urn with the ashes of this great soul placed for the public to pay their tribute, after which the ashes were dissolved in the Tiriveni Sangam. The memorial showcases some of the rarest of the rare pictures of the Mahatma with many prominent personalities from the West. The memorial also has a chakra inscribed on one of the domes as a reminder of Gandhi's protest for Swaraj. Visiting time 7 am to 7 pm. Pattakottai Fort. The splendid Pattakottai Fort is spread over an area of 3.5 acres and is one of the fascinating places to visit in Kanyakumari. The fort, which was built in the 18th century by the Travancore dynasty under the supervision of King Marthandavarma, overlooks the might Bay of Bengal and gives a spectacular view of the sea. It was the last fort built by this dynasty after defeating Captain Eustachius de Llano's army in the Battle of Colacho. This fort is now protected and maintained by the Archaeological Department of India. Visiting time 8 am to 5 pm.